What's up, guys? It's Jeff here, and welcome to this overview presentation for Cryp Trade Capital. So today I want to talk to you guys about this company and just exactly what it is, what it's about, how they make money, how you guys can make money with it, basically, and also why I've decided to join this and actually start promoting this because this company's actually just got started a few months ago, and they're a registered company in Spain. Their head office is in Spain. They just had a leadership conference there in Alicante just last month, and a lot of members and leaders were there in attendance and visited the offices and had a look around, and there's some really good positive feedback from the members after that experience. So I'm just going to give you a quick overview of the company and show you exactly what it is that they're all about. So let's take a look here. So what they are, Cryp Trade Capital, is a team of successful top managers that trade in cryptocurrency. Okay, and for those of you that don't know what cryptocurrencies are, those are things like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, so on and so forth. And what they do is they trade those, for profits every month. Okay, for the investors. So why exactly Cryp Trade Capital? Well, basically, they've come up with a unique modern win-win trading strategy. Okay, developed by the company's traders themselves. Okay, they continuously have innovative tools for automatic trades, making profits for the investors' accounts. Okay, 24/7, 365 days a year. All right, and company's employees know a lot. Well, a lot about the cryptocurrency market. They have made several successful deals, so they gain their knowledge from making these deals. And one thing is the company provides each new investor with the possibility to receive useful information in terms of exchanges and the cryptocurrency market every day. If you are deciding to look into that and trade for yourself, or if you're just looking for general info, these guys are really knowledgeable. So that's something that they can help you with. If you're interested in that sort of thing. So the story about Bitcoins and exchange traders, I'm really not going to go into too much detail on this because, you guys can look up some of this stuff about Bitcoin, on YouTube and things like that. So I'm not going to go into too much detail on this slide. But I do want to talk about the traders. Okay, so basically what they are is the sharks of the market. Okay, they have a lot of professionals, in this company that trade, basically buy and sell these cryptocurrencies. Okay, so these are the different pairs that they do trade. You can see here, some of them you probably recognize, some of them you might not. Okay, but these are just a small sample of the pairs that they do trade. Okay, they trade a lot more than these, but some of these that you can see here, like Bitcoin, Blackcoin, Navo coin, like Stealth coin, things like that. Okay, so these are the pairs that they trade for profits, and they exchange them, depending on the markets and things like that. They'll trade them for profits. Okay, now the trades and the traders are all verified. You guys can see that on the websites. They have reports and things like that that you can see. There's also a video of one of the traders showing his trades and his account and everything like that on the site, or not on the site, actually. It's on YouTube. I think I have to probably dig it out for you guys, but you guys can ask me for the link. I'll show it to you. But all these trades are verified. Okay, these things there's real trading going on. That's definitely legitimate. Okay, and that's one of the things that drew me to this company, is because they are doing real trading and the profits are real. Okay, and this was also outlined in the leadership conference that they had last month, and a lot of members saw that as well. So a lot of good stuff happening with them. All right. Now, as investors, we have this opportunity to use this for, long-term investment portfolios, different risk-reward profiles, some conservative, some with more higher levels of profitability, okay, to diversify our risks. But, using this this platform as one of those things, as a means to getting, diversification of your assets, okay, which is a good thing. Now, the different portfolios that you can invest in, okay, there's three different ones. There's the standard, there's the mega, and then there's the VIP. Okay, now I'll just break it down to the three different levels, because there are different, you can see the different deposit ranges, okay, to qualify for each of these trades. You can get started here for as little as $50. Okay, that's the minimum that you need to start. And then the VIP package obviously is a lot more, but I'll go into each one in a little more detail. So the standard plan, you can see the earnings per day is going to be 0.59%. The earnings per month is going to be 17.7%, and the earnings per year is going to be 215.35% per year. Okay, you will be able to withdraw your money twice a month. Okay, and what they do is every 2 weeks on the 15th and the 30th of each month, they will accrue your earnings, and your earnings will go into your wallet in your dashboard. Okay, and at that point you can decide if you want to reinvest into another plan, or you can withdraw the money at that point. Okay, and you can do that twice a month. Charges, what they mean by charges is actually earnings. Okay, that's a little bit of a translation issue because they are a European company. I'm sure they got that. But charges means earnings. Okay, so you're going to be earning 7 days a week. Some companies only do 5. They don't earn on the weekends. But this company, you will earn 7 days a week. Okay, the deposit is going to be locked in for 1 year. Okay, so keep that in mind, and you'll be earning on that deposit for a full year. Okay. So that's the standard plan. Now the next level up would be the mega. Okay, so you can see the mega starts from $5,000. Okay, the earnings there is going to be a little bit higher, 79.79% per day, 23.7% per month, and 288.35% per year. Okay, also 2 times withdrawal, 7 days earnings, and deposit for 1 year. All right, same deal. So as you're going up in levels and you're trading in a higher investment package, you're going to be earning more. Okay, and then this is obviously the goal that you guys want to attain is the VIP investment package, which starts from $10,000. And for this one, you're going to get about 1% a day, 0.99%, 29.7% per month, and 361.35% per year. Okay, and same stipulations as the other two. So let's do some real example calculations for these portfolios so that you can see how much you're actually earning for your investments. Okay, so let's take an example of $1,000 for the standard. Okay, if you're earning at 0.59% per day, that's going to be $5.90 per day. It's going to be $179.40 per month. Okay, and then the 215% is going to be $2,153.55 per year. Okay, now keep in mind that the percentages also include your initial deposit in them. Okay, so 1,000 of that 2,153.55 is actually your principal in the earnings. So your net profit, is going to be 115%, but the total profit, or the total earnings rather, is going to be 215%. So you guys are going to need to make that distinction. All right. So the second plan that we can take a look at is called the Cryp Trade Mega. And for example, let's take $7,000. Okay, and what you'll be earning per day there is 0.79% or $55.30 per day. You're going to be earning $1,659 per month, $20,184.50 per year. Okay, as I said, as you go up in levels, okay, your earnings are going to be higher, obviously, because you're trading more volume, and the earnings are going to get better. Okay, now the Cryp Trade VIP plan. Okay, let's take an example of $15,000. You're going to be earning 0.99% per day, so about $148.50 per day, $4,500 per month, and $54,202.50 per year. Okay, so not a bad investment, and not a bad earnings payout for the VIP. All right, that's where you guys want to be at, right? Okay, so in addition, the company allows you to basically recruit and build a team and bring affiliates on board. Okay, so now this is a completely optional part of the program. Okay, if you do not want to recruit, if you don't want to sponsor anybody, you definitely have the option just to participate in the investments and still make a very, very good income, which you just saw. Okay, but if you like to, sponsor people, recruit affiliates into the program, they have a very, very lucrative compensation plan for affiliates as well, and I'm going to show you that right now. So there's basically 10 levels here that you can basically get into. So you can see each one has different basically stipulations or different requirements that you need to hit before you get to each level. But the very first one, the basic level, is the investor, which you need to start with a minimum of $50 in any one of the in the standard investment, basically for $50, right? But the minimum amount, $50, will get you an investor status. Okay, what that means is anybody that you refer to the program on your first level is going to earn you 7% referral commissions. Okay. Down there at the bottom, you'll see it says percent as a credit from personal turnover, 100%. Okay, and what that means is that because the next level's going up, the agent, senior agent, managing agent, and so on and so forth, you're going to need to qualify team volume, not just personal investment volume, but team volume, to qualify for the next levels going up. So every level below is going to have a certain percentage of turnover volume that you can credit towards your next level up. Okay, as an investor, 100% of your first level of investments team volume can count for your personal turnover to your agent status level. Okay, so if you look at agent, it says personal deposit, still the minimum $50, but your personal turnover needs to be $1,000. So it means that the people that you refer and their investments need to total $1,000. Okay, and then if you do that, you'll get an award for doing so. Okay, and then the award is a $100 bonus. Okay, and then you become an agent, and what that means is you'll get 5% on your second level referral commissions. Okay, and then you see at the bottom it says percent as a credit from the personal turnover. For the agent, it becomes 75%. Okay, so now 75% goes towards the next level, the senior agent level, and then and so on and so forth. You can see it gets smaller and smaller as you go up. I really like this format, this structure, because it really maintains the stability, and it maintains the it doesn't get too crazy. You don't pay out too much from commissions. It makes it a very viable structure, and it makes it a very profitable structure for people that can really build a team. So I like this a lot. I like the structure a lot. I'm not going to go through each of the different levels as it goes up, but you guys can take a look at this in your back office. Also, there's a presentation that you guys can see all of these numbers and stats, and also in your back office there's a career or team stats tab where this shows all of the stats here that you can see from this slide. Okay. Payments, as I said, there's two different types. Obviously, there's payments from the passive income, which is from the investing, and then there's also the payments from the affiliates, programs, or the referral commissions and things like that. So the first one from the investments, we did go over that. We said the payments, twice a month, 15th and the 30th of each month, the earnings will accrue. At that point, you guys can decide whether you want to reinvest that into another package, or if you want to take a withdrawal into your wallet. Okay, so, and the withdrawal will be processed within 72 hours. Okay, which is very good. And the affiliate program, each payment is made on Mondays. Okay, and then that's also 72 hours withdrawal if you want to withdraw from your wallet. All right. Company takes Perfect Money, add cash, and Bitcoin as well. So I know in the U.S., our only option really is going to be Bitcoin. But in other parts of the country, I know they take the other two processors. So if you're not in the U.S., you probably have the option to use the other two. For all of us in the U.S. That are using this platform, we're going to need to use Bitcoin, which is fine by me because I really prefer Bitcoin over anything anyway. So that is good. All right, so that's going to do it for this overview, guys. I'm really excited about this company because I think it has a lot of potential, and infrastructure is there. CEO and everybody is reachable. You can contact them. The support is really good. I had an issue, with my site when I just first logged in and signed up. I sent a support issue email, and I was responded to within the hour, and it's been very fast, very the response time is very good for the support, and a lot of good things that I see about this company, a lot of buzz going on. I'm going to be doing a couple more videos, some tutorial videos on how to, what's going on in your dashboard, how you guys can, deposit, and things like that. My normal, how-to videos that I normally do for this. But guys, if you want to get started with this company with me, just take a look at the description below. There's going to be a link down there to get started, to sign up with me. And I will also be creating a group for this on Facebook, so look for the link down there as well for the Facebook group and join my group. and hope you guys come aboard and then really build this big with me. So looking forward to it, guys. Hope that was helpful. I will see you guys on the next video. Jeff signing off.